Hello friends, welcome to Momentum Stocks. In today's video, we are going to discuss about one stock for buy and one stock for sell for tomorrow's trading session, that would be on 19th of October. Okay, so before I proceed, the Telegram channel is scrolling right at the bottom. Please subscribe to the Telegram channel to get updates on stocks, friends. And if you have still not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe and also hit that bell notification so that you would not miss out on any updates that I'm giving on the channel, friends. Coming to our analysis for today, see friends, what did Nifty do? Nifty casted something called a gap up, okay, and from there it was sideways throughout the day. So if you look at it, there was one breakout that came here, but it did not really run much. There was also one breakdown that came somewhere here, but not very big targets were achieved at the breakdown as well. Okay, so this is your breakdown. Okay, so it was basically a day of sideways. Bank Nifty on the other hand gave a gap up, came little down and went upwards, friends. Okay, it crossed the day high. Nifty did not do that. This was the day high. Bank Nifty crossed the day high, went slightly above that and then started falling and gave a closing somewhere very close to the opening, friends. So that was the day for today. And to give you some more updates, see, now Bank Nifty has created something, ignore that. Bank Nifty has created something called a kind of a head and shoulder pattern, which is partially incomplete. So there is a possibility of a fall there once this head and shoulder is completed. Okay, Nifty on the other hand did not do anything like that. It is straight and something like this. Now, when will we look for buy in Nifty? Now, this trend line is already crossed. Will we buy immediately? No, we will wait for a retest. The retest will be somewhere here, which is 17,490 levels, where we can create a buy position. Okay. And how about the sell position? This is already at a very good place for a sell. However, we would wait for a trend line break before selling, and that trend line will be something like this, friends. Once it breaks this trend line, okay, downwards, and then goes ahead and retests it, this is where we will be creating a sell position for a target of this. Will we achieve this target in one go? The answer is no. We'll try 50% of this gap filling if we are going for a sell position. My view on both the index Nifty and Bank Nifty is positive. So we will not be looking, I would not be looking for sell on a much side, but I feel that tomorrow both the index will move upwards, friends. Hope you understood that. Coming to Bank Nifty, when will we see a sell position in Bank Nifty? The answer is simple. This trend line break is what we will look for, after which is when we will wait for a retest. And if there is any kind of weakness that we see at this trend line, like a doji candle or a bearish engulfing, something like that, that's when we will look for a sell. And here our target is a little smaller when compared to Nifty. So when will we create buy position? The answer is simple. We'll wait for this trend line to break. Okay. Once this trend line is broken, immediately we can go for buy positions for this target, the top, which is 40480. Okay, or 40,500 can be our immediate target when it comes to Bank Nifty, friends, on buy side. Now, I hope you enjoyed the trade that we did today, wherein we made some profit on Bank Nifty. I have already posted that trade on our channel. Please go ahead and see that video. You will get lot of new ideas and you will get to know how exactly would we trade on such a market, friends. Hope you understood the logic. Coming to our buy stock for today, that would be Bajaj Finserv, friends. Reason simple, we see something called a rounding bottom here. We also see something called a inverted head and shoulder here. Okay, and its breakout is done, followed by a retest at this point and upward momentum. Now when will we create a buy position? Aggressive traders can create buy position immediately at 1731 levels itself, and the ones who want to be safe will wait for this breakout. Okay, I am putting it here. Make sure that you wait for this breakout if you are conservative trader. What do I mean by aggressive traders? Aggressive traders are those who know how to put a stop loss and how to quickly exit in case the trade is going against you, friends. Okay, those are the ones who I call as aggressive traders. Okay, creating a sell position anywhere below this would be very risky because we are under a this kind of pattern which is called a rounding bottom. Now there is a possibility that this pattern will give a continuation pattern called a cup and a handle pattern, friends. In that case you will see something kind of a narrow range like this. Okay, and you already know what kind of range I am talking about. This is a channel pattern or a downward wedge pattern. If you are seeing any wedge pattern here, that gives you a perfect confidence to ensure to buy at this levels, friends. Okay, I hope you understood the logic on buy for Bajaj Finserv. Coming to the sell stock for the day. Sell stock for the day would be BPCL, friends. See, the reason is simple. We had a gap up today. BPCL did not react to it. Very strange. Yes, that did happen. And that is the reason we are giving it for a sell. And now those who are conservative traders can sell at this particular trend line break. Okay. And create a target somewhere here or here, depending upon the momentum at that point. And the ones who are aggressive can create a sell right here at this levels. What are the levels? 297 levels. Okay, and this is an easy target to achieve, friends. 295. Next target would be 294 and the final target would be 291. That's how we would be creating a sell position in BPCL. Now there is another reason to sell BPCL. Simple. We will call our friend, that is Fibo. From the top to bottom we are exactly at this levels called 38.2 levels, and this is the levels where the chances of profit is very much high, friends. You have seen multiple videos of mine wherein I have been making profits at this level and at this level. In fact, today's video itself you will see the importance of 50%. That is where we took our trade and made a very good profit. Where was the 50% level in Bank Nifty? Simple. From here to here, when I am drawing a Fibo, you know I trade on 1 minute on Bank Nifty already. So see, I have shown you this in the previous video. From the top to the bottom when I am drawing a Fibo, 50% is lying somewhere here. And this is where at 11 o'clock is where we took the trade. And our exit, as I told, this was our first exit. Okay. And I told you that I am going to exit much higher than this. I am not going to take complete exit here. I exited at this double top, friends. And from there market really turned down, friends. Somewhere at this levels is where my exit was triggered. I don't exactly remember, but this was the level where my exit was triggered, and from there we started moving downwards. Anyways, I hope you understood the logic of BPCL on a sell side as well, and Bajaj Finserv on a buy side. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do like, subscribe, and also share this with your friends, family members, basically anyone who is looking forward to make money and who is wanting to learn from stock market, friends. Thanks for watching and wish you a happy and profitable